Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the charges Donald Trump has faced, including impeachment for abuse of power and obstruction of Congress, allegations of obstruction of justice during the Mueller investigation, and accusations of sexual misconduct and financial crimes. Join us as we explore the legal controversies surrounding the former President of the United States. Impeachment. Donald Trump's first impeachment in December 2019 centered on allegations of abuse of power and obstruction of Congress. The charges stem from a whistleblower complaint that raised concerns about Trump's dealings with Ukraine. Specifically, Trump was accused of pressuring Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky to investigate Joe Biden, his political rival, and his son Hunter Biden, while withholding military aid as leverage. The House of Representatives launched an inquiry into these allegations, leading to Trump's impeachment on charges of abuse of power for soliciting foreign interference in a U.S. election and obstruction of Congress for blocking witnesses and withholding documents during the investigation. The impeachment process was highly contentious, with Democrats arguing that Trump's actions warranted removal from office, while Republicans largely defended him, resulting in Trump's acquittal by the Senate in February 2020. This historic impeachment further polarized American politics and contributed to ongoing debates over executive power and accountability. Obstruction of justice. The accusation of obstruction of justice against Donald Trump arose from the investigation into Russian interference in the 2016 U.S. presidential election, led by special counsel Robert Mueller. The Mueller report detailed several instances where Trump allegedly attempted to impede or obstruct the investigation. These instances included Trump's efforts to influence key witnesses, such as former FBI Director James Comey, and his public statements and actions that could be interpreted as attempts to undermine the credibility of the investigation. While the report did not reach a definitive conclusion on whether Trump had committed a crime, it did not exonerate him either, citing Justice Department guidelines that a sitting president cannot be indicted. This accusation of obstruction of justice became a focal point of debate among lawmakers, legal experts, and the public, highlighting broader questions about the limits of presidential power and accountability under the law. Sexual misconduct allegations. Multiple women have accused Donald Trump of sexual misconduct, including allegations of harassment and assault. These accusations have spanned several decades, with some dating back to before his entry into politics. During his presidential campaign and tenure in office, these allegations garnered significant media attention and public scrutiny. Trump has consistently denied the allegations, dismissing them as politically motivated and stating that they are fabricated or exaggerated. Despite the allegations, Trump has not faced criminal charges related to sexual misconduct, and no cases have resulted in convictions. However, the accusations have contributed to broader conversations about accountability for powerful figures, the treatment of women, and the intersection of politics and personal conduct. The controversy surrounding these allegations has further divided public opinion about Trump's character and suitability for office, shaping public discourse about issues of morality and leadership in American politics. Financial crimes. Donald Trump has faced accusations and investigations into his financial dealings, including allegations of tax evasion, fraudulent business practices, and potential conflicts of interest. These investigations have involved both state and federal authorities, with a particular focus on Trump's business empire, the Trump Organization. The Manhattan District Attorney's Office and the New York Attorney General's Office have been particularly active in probing Trump's financial affairs, including his tax returns and business transactions. Additionally, there have been concerns raised about potential violations of the Emoluments Clause of the U.S. Constitution, which prohibits federal officials from receiving gifts or payments from foreign governments. These allegations and investigations have raised questions about Trump's transparency, ethics, and adherence to the law, fueling ongoing debates about the relationship between wealth, power, and accountability in American politics. Hush money payments. Donald Trump faced scrutiny and legal challenges related to hush money payments made to women who alleged affairs with him, notably facilitated by his former lawyer, Michael Cohen. Cohen pleaded guilty to campaign finance violations, stating he acted at Trump's direction. The payments made during the 2016 presidential campaign, raised concerns about potential violations of campaign finance laws, as they were not properly disclosed. Critics argued that the payments were made to influence the election by suppressing damaging information, while Trump denied any wrongdoing and asserted that the payments were not campaign-related. The matter drew significant attention and became a focal point in ongoing investigations into Trump's conduct. The episode highlighted the complex legal and ethical considerations surrounding campaign finance regulations, the role of personal attorneys in political affairs, and the potential legal exposure of sitting presidents. Civil lawsuits. Donald Trump has been involved in numerous civil lawsuits throughout his career, spanning various aspects of his personal and business life. These lawsuits have covered a wide range of issues, including allegations of fraud, breach of contract, defamation, and discrimination. Trump's extensive business dealings, including his real estate ventures, casinos, and branding agreements, have often been the subject of litigation. Additionally, his inflammatory rhetoric and controversial actions as a public figure have led to defamation lawsuits from individuals and organizations. While some cases have been settled out of court, others have proceeded to trial, resulting in judgments against Trump or dismissals of the claims. These civil lawsuits have shed light on Trump's business practices, financial arrangements, and interactions with others, contributing to public perceptions of his character, integrity, and legal liabilities. They have also underscored the complexities of holding powerful individuals accountable within the legal system and navigating the intersection of law, politics, and celebrity. Thanks for watching. We've delved into the various accusations against Donald Trump, from impeachment to allegations of obstruction of justice, sexual misconduct, and financial crimes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth discussions on current events and legal controversies. Stay tuned for our next video.